Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Starkville is saying no to a Bitcoin mining facility on Industrial Park Road. The Planning and Zoning Commission rejected the special use exemption Tuesday in front of a standing room only crowd. Check this out. More than 80 people showed up to this meeting. It was a packed house. City staff recommended the denial, citing missing information on the water, wastewater, employment, and flood planning proposals. 10 residents spoke out against it before the public comment closed. One commissioner says he's never seen an applicant so unprepared for such a contentious project. The rejection heads to the Board of Aldermen next. A representative with the Bitcoin facility says the group plans to appeal if denied again. Construction on a new boutique hotel in Starkville is well underway. They had the big cranes going this morning when our Caleb Edelblut was out there stopping by, checking it out, get some video for us. I love to watch those big cranes. This is going to be an upscale hotel, 122 rooms that sits on the south side of University Drive. But as these crews work on the outside of Hotel Madeline, the Mississippi State University Foundation needs your help with the inside of it. They are looking for old vintage cowbells, old yearbooks, and Mississippi A&M items and memorabilia to use as art installations throughout the hotel. It's going to be really cool. So go ahead, dig through your attic or your basement or those old boxes, see if you have anything that you might be able to donate. And if you do, you can email sb1612 at msstate.edu. Can't wait for that one. Are you guys buying less meat than you used to? Do you look like this guy at the grocery store? Because I sure do. It's a sad state of affairs out there. The research by financial company MarketBeat says about 68% of us are buying less meat for our family table. That includes switching to smaller portions or meat substitutes. In the very latest survey, more than half of Mississippi families polled say they now serve a meal without meat or fish at least twice a week in order to save money on food. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.